Hey friends, welcome back to my video. Today we will learn what is the best website to earn money by watching YouTube videos. So here are some websites or ideas for you to get started with this. So there are multiple websites like Survey Junkie, which is available for USA, Canada and Australian residents. So they can watch the videos on these websites and earn like from $5 to $50 per day. They also have option to get paid for the opinion they share with them, that is surveys. Then second site is Swagbucks. I have mentioned the Swagbucks multiple times. So Swagbucks is available for USA, UK, Canada, Australia and Ireland residents. So they pay you to shop, watch videos, search the web, answer quick questions, and they are among the oldest and have paid like $326 million at the time of making this video to their members. Then third is LifePoint. LifePoint is available only for UK, Australia, France, Spain, Germany, Singapore, Hong Kong, Denmark, Finland, Italy, etc. countries. So join their like 5 million happy members worldwide who get rewards for watching YouTube videos on their platform. You also get bonus of 10 life points for free just for joining and confirming your email address. So you can get started with the website pretty quickly. Then next is MetaCafe. MetaCafe is somewhat different. MetaCafe is a website that allows you to earn money for your videos on per view basis. Unlike YouTube, where you will make like on an average of $1 per 1,000 views. The report may vary depending on the region. On MetaCafe, you can make like $5 per 1,000 views. That is very huge, like 5 times better than YouTube. Since MetaCafe doesn't have large audience as compared to YouTube, they will always put the new videos on the front page so that you can get more and more views. So guys, register on this website today and start earning money. Thanks for watching.